5G home internet or fiber? Have you ever pondered which one of these is superior? Well, your quest ends here. In the digital realm, these two technologies are creating quite a buzz. 5G internet, the newest generation of mobile networks, brings to the table lightning-fast speeds and minimal latency. Contrastingly, fiber optic technology, the established leader of high-speed internet, utilizes pulses of light to transfer data through strands of glass. It's not uncommon to get swept up in the 5G frenzy, believing it's the ultimate internet solution. On the flip side, some might hastily write off fiber as outdated, unable to ride the wireless wave. However, as with most things, the truth isn't so straightforward. Both have their unique and weaknesses, and understanding these is crucial for making an informed decision. In this video, we're going to dive headfirst into the complex world of 5G home internet and fiber, and compare them head-to-head. So let's embark on this technological odyssey together. 5G home internet is a relatively new player in the world of internet technology. The fifth generation of wireless technology, or 5G as it's more commonly known, promises to revolutionize the way we connect to the internet. But how did we get here? Well, it's been a journey. From the first generation of wireless technology, which brought us the humble mobile phone, we've seen an incredible evolution. With each new generation, we've seen an increase in speed, reliability, and coverage, and now, with 5G, we're entering uncharted territory. The potential capabilities of 5G home internet are staggering. We're talking about speeds that could potentially dwarf those of 4G, with some experts predicting that 5G could deliver speeds of up to 10 times faster. Imagine downloading an entire HD movie in just a few seconds. But it's not just about speed. 5G also promises to offer more reliable connections and broader coverage. However, like any technology, 5G home internet is not without its disadvantages. For starters, because it's still in its infancy, 5G coverage is not as widespread as we'd like it to be. Additionally, the high-frequency bands used by 5G don't travel as far as those used by 4G, meaning that more cell towers are needed to ensure coverage. Also, while 5G home internet promises lightning-fast speeds, it's worth noting that these are maximum speeds. In reality, many factors can affect the speed you'll actually get, including how many other people are using the network at the same time. So, that's 5G in a nutshell. But how does it stack up against fiber? Fiber optic internet, on the other hand, has been around for quite some time. This technology, a marvel of light and glass, has revolutionized the way we connect and communicate. At its core, fiber optic technology employs strands of glass or plastic, thinner than a human hair, to transmit data. It does this by converting electrical signals carrying data into light, which is then sent down the fiber optic cable at breakneck speeds. Now, when it comes to speed, fiber optic internet is a heavy hitter. It can deliver gigabit speeds, which is around 100 times faster than traditional broadband. This makes it ideal for bandwidth-heavy tasks like streaming high-definition video, playing online games, or handling large data transfers. But speed isn't the only advantage of fiber optic internet. It also boasts impressive reliability. Unlike traditional copper cables, fiber optic cables are resistant to electrical interference, which means they're less likely to drop your connection, especially during storms or peak usage times. However, fiber optic internet isn't without its drawbacks. The main one being coverage. Installing fiber optic cables is a costly and time-consuming process. This means that fiber optic internet isn't available everywhere, especially in rural or remote areas. So, where does this leave us? Fiber optic internet has its strengths and weaknesses just like 5G, but which is the better choice? Now that we've got a handle on both technologies, it's time for the face-off. Let's pit 5G home internet against fiber optic technology and see which one comes out on top. First off, speed. 5G home internet is touted as the next big thing, with promised speeds that could surpass 1 gigabit per second. Fiber, on the other hand, already delivers on this promise, with some providers offering up to 10 gigabits per second. Next, reliability. Fiber optic technology is a mature, tried and tested solution. It's robust, resistant to many forms of interference, and provides consistent performance. 5G, while promising, is still in its early stages, and its reliability is yet to be fully tested. Coverage is another important factor. Fiber optic networks may not reach rural or remote areas due to the high cost of laying down the infrastructure. 5G, being a wireless technology, has the potential to provide broader coverage, reaching areas where fiber cannot. When it comes to cost, both technologies can be competitive. Fiber installation can be expensive, especially in areas where infrastructure is not yet in place. However, the cost of 5G equipment and the potential for data caps could make 5G home internet more expensive in the long run. Availability is the final hurdle. Fiber is available in many urban and suburban areas, but its reach is limited. On the other hand, 5G is still rolling out, and it might take a few more years before it becomes widely available. The potential impact of both technologies on future internet usage is immense. Fiber has already revolutionized how we consume content, while 5G promises to take this a step further, enabling new applications like virtual reality and Internet of Things. So that's the lowdown on 5G home internet and fiber. But which is truly the better option? So, after all this, which is superior, 5G home internet or fiber optic internet? Let's recap. We've seen that 5G home internet has the advantage of mobility and potential for widespread coverage. However, it's currently limited by inconsistent speeds and signal strength, depending largely on your proximity to a 5G tower. On the other hand, fiber optic internet offers a consistent high-speed connection that's not affected by weather or distance from a central hub. But it's not as widely available, especially in rural or remote areas, and installation can be a considerable task. So which tops our list? Well, it's not a clear-cut answer. If you're someone who values mobility and the potential of a wireless future, 5G home internet could be your pick. But if you're after the most reliable and consistently fast connection for heavy-duty tasks like gaming or streaming, fiber optic might be the way to go. And there you have it, a detailed comparison of 5G home internet and fiber optic internet. Remember, the best option depends on your specific needs and circumstances. Thanks for watching.